Maptek has always been committed to providing the best user experience for mine planning and operations. Vulcan 12.0.3 supports the new GDA 2020 coordinate system to help Australian users account for continental drift. Improvements to Vulcan Data Analyzer let you right-click on any chart or annotation to copy and paste into documents and emails, and create custom domains for greater flexibility when visualising data and reporting. The compliance option has been simplified so you can generate a single report, and you can summarise volumes, tonnages and grades by solid type. Short-term Planner now allows you to designate the number of periods to run before stopping calculations, and drop-down lists for filters reduce the potential for errors. You can automatically create a material type variable to flag product or waste for HARP run of mine, saving time in post-processing. Create a composite wash table with the interrogated wash table group models function in Vulcan Washability. Download the latest version of Vulcan from your Maptek account or the users area now.